Well, after I ripped up the transmission at Road Atlanta, I decided I don't want any of that to happen again. So I've just installed a M22 by Auto Gear. That's a super case with an iron mid plate, roller first gear, and like a cam button on the counter shaft. Awesome transmission. It's beefy as hell. Also installed a 3.5-inch aluminum drive shaft rated up to, I guess, 1,000 horsepower, 800 pounds of torque or more. I'm making 620 pounds of torque, so we should be good. And also these 1350 heavy duty U-joints. So the whole drivetrain has been seriously beefed up. That's a monster drive shaft. That M22, let's see if I can get a side shot of it. Brand new. There we go. You can see the iron mid plate right there. And it's got a beefed up tail housing. And we also put beefed up rods on it. See how thick those rods are? That's because it shifts really tight because the tolerances are so tight. And it all bolted up to the scatter shield, and I shouldn't be blowing any of the driveline parts anymore.